Hi there, welcome to CampaignTrackly. My name is Melina, and today I will be talking to you about bulk QR code creation. Thanks to CampaignTrackly and Dropbox's advanced integration, we are now able to generate for you hundreds of QR codes in just a minute or so. How are we able to implement that? Simply because CampaignTrackly has an amazing integration layer that allows you to connect to any platform with just a few clicks. We have now the ability to automate all of your UTM link building, short URL creation, and QR code generation activities in minutes in a fully automated way. How does it work and what do you need? First, you need to have your own Dropbox account, for example. This is the account we are going to be using for a demo. Second, you need to have a CampaignTrackly enterprise account, which offers one-click integrations. Third, you need to connect to Dropbox using the CampaignTrackly integration layer. Fourth, you need to select one of our workflows that we have preset for you. You need to add your preferred Dropbox folder, how you want to generate the QR codes, how many QR codes you want to generate, 100, 200, 250, and that's it. You're all set. Now, let's head over to Dropbox. And wait for the QR codes to get cooked and sent to Dropbox. Amazing, isn't it? For 250 QR codes, it should take anywhere between 1 and 3 minutes for you to receive them. And here they are, 250 QR codes in a zip file, ready to be checked and shared. Amazing! Let's scroll to the bottom to make sure we have everything. And then let's click on a QR code to just have a look at what we got. They look pretty good to me. Let's check a couple of others. And we are ready to accept our next batch of QR codes. As I mentioned, you can get 250 QR codes generated every 2 or 3 minutes or so. Now you can see here that the first batch was received in 7:36 p.m. and the second one came 3 minutes later. And this second batch also has very good looking QR codes. Well, I hope that this video was useful to you. If you're interested in our integration in our automated services for any of our features, UTM building, QR code generation, or short link generation, or everything together, don't hesitate to contact us at support@campaigntrackly.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.